Hey, fourth graders, let's talk about your writing assignment. I want to go over what your outline should look like so that way you can double check and make sure it follows the same thing that I'm looking for. When you write an informational piece, just like we talked before, each paragraph needs to be about one topic. And before you write your rough draft, we'll talk more about that. But before Monday, I would like for you to really look at your outline to see if each paragraph is about a topic. So I'm going to use Malala as an example, and I'll write it out and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so we learned about Malala, right? So I divided my writing into 3 paragraphs: her early life, her education, and now. Okay, so her early life, we learned a lot about her dad and how he stood up for women and all children to learn. About her mom, how she stayed home and hid herself from men, and about Malala, how she saw how she wanted a different life. Then we learned about her education, that she loved learning, and that she decided to speak up for others who weren't able to learn because she thought everyone deserved to learn just like her dad. And then there were evil people that didn't like what she was doing, and so they went after her and tried to silence her and shot her. Now she has won the Nobel Peace Prize. So now, thinking what's going on in her life in the recent time, she's won the Nobel Peace Prize. She's a famous speaker and she is a hero. So if I have note cards for these things that I wrote, that will help me when I'm writing my paper. It will be so easy. I'll just be able to get the note card about her dad, write sentences about her dad, then her mom and her, and on down the line. The one thing that I need to remember is that this right here is going to be my topic sentence. So each paragraph that you write needs to have a topic sentence. What is the paragraph about? So I'll say, in Malala's early life, her dad was a great influence on her, and then I'll write about her dad. For this one, I will say, when Malala started going to school, her education became so important to her and she loved learning. The last one, I'll say, now Malala has done many things to help others. She has even won the Nobel Peace Prize. Do you see how I made my topics the topic sentence for my paragraphs? Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to look at your outline and see if maybe you need to tweak it or change it, and I'm happy to help you do that. We can either work on it during our office hours on Friday or on Monday, and we'll start working on our rough draft and make them really great pieces of writing.